In this video, I'll show you how to capitalize the first letter of a string. So we have a string of hello, and let's start by replacing the first letter of the word with letter J. And we're getting, instead of hello, we're getting jello. Now, this is the most important part of one of two ways that I'm going to show you on capitalizing the first letter of a string in JavaScript. So now that we have this thing right here, we can take it further, but let's just discuss briefly how it works. So the replace method is ran on a string, and then it uses a regular expression to match whatever is in the regular expression. This regular expression in particular matches the first character of a given word. And then you just give it the replacement string or the replacement character, what you want to replace it with. So, for example, it can be something different, and then it's going to be several strings, several random characters replacing the letter H. So this should be understandable. And now let's implement a function that's going to sort of automate this process. So I'm going to say function uppercase first character, and I'm going to give it a string. And inside of the function's body, I'm going to say let updated str is equal to str dot replace. And here I'm going to use that regular expression that you just saw. So we're targeting the first character in the given word. And then here I'm going to pass in an arrow function, which will take that character and convert it to uppercase. Okay, so that's the updated string. And now on the next line, let's just return this updated string. Now when I want to run this uppercase first character, I can pass it that string of hello, but with lowercase letters. And now, obviously, I made a typo, so let's fix it real quick. And now when I run this again, I get the uppercase first letter of a given string. So that's the first implementation. And I think it's perhaps somewhat tricky until you kind of get used to it, which is always good because it can improve your skills. But here's arguably a simpler way to do this. So we basically take a string and we invoke the char at method on it. And if we pass in a 0, it's going to take the first character of this string. If we pass in a 1, it's going to take the next one, etc., etc. So now that we know this, what we can do is declare a function. Let's say upper first is going to take a string, and inside of the function's body, we can do the following. We'll take that string and, well, let's take the string, set the char at 0, and convert it to uppercase. Okay, and we'll save this in a variable. The variable will be named const first letter. And now I'm going to get the rest of string. And this rest of string is going to be str.slice1. And now finally, I'm just going to return the first letter plus rest of string. Okay, and now I can invoke my upper first method, and let's paste in something, and the result is going to be this uppercased letter S as we expected. So there you have it, two different ways to uppercase the first letter of a string in JavaScript.